Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to remove the OBS Virtual Camera. Usually, even after you uninstall the OBS app from your Mac, the virtual camera gets left behind and still shows up in your other apps. To fix this, just follow these steps. First, open up System Settings. Then, under the General tab, go ahead and click on Login Items and Extensions. Next, scroll all the way down. Under the Extensions section, switch over to the By Category tab. Down here, you'll see a section for camera extensions. Click on the info icon right next to it. You should now see the OBS Virtual Camera extension listed there. All you have to do is click on the three dots, select Delete Extension, and then hit Uninstall. Finally, just type in your Mac's password, hit OK, and click Done. And that's it. You've successfully removed the OBS Virtual Camera from your Mac.